So I come out here to Grays Harbor College, and I'm having a good time, and I see a student wearing a shirt right here that was in my class a couple of years ago. And I said, did you go to my Cafe Press site to get that? Because this student had no idea of my connection with this image, even though I am wearing the enamel pin version of this from 2017. This is her story.
So I went to Goodwill, as I normally do. I'm a habitual thrift shop person. I thrift shop a lot. And so I found this shirt in the men's section, and it was like one of those days where they have like the yellow tag sales or whatever. So like, you know, when they have the tag sales, and so it was like even way cheaper. So it was originally like $10, but then it was marked down to like below $5. I was like, oh, score. This is the coolest shirt I've ever found. And so I bought it, and then I woke up this morning and was in a rush because I had a test this morning. I was like, oh, there's a shirt. I'll just like, here's this shirt, and it's like a science one, and I'm doing that science thing today, so might as well just wear the shirt. And so it just was a coincidence. I was actually going to wear a Napoleon Dynamite one, but you know.
That's cool too. But in this case, there are no coincidences. And I just thought she went to cafepress.com /microbes rule, but in fact, the stars were aligned.